Bitcoin just hit $82,800, but behind the scenes, a giant trap is closing right now. Everyone is expecting the price to keep going up. But wait, the last time we saw a $1 billion liquidation for buyers was on February 5th. We haven't seen a massive wipeout in almost 3 months. March and April were way too quiet. That is why I opened a massive short position at $82,200. Yes, I have been stopped out at break even 5 times before. I could do it again right now and make this a free trade. But I'm not taking profits. I believe we are still in a bear market. This current pump is just manipulation before a massive crash, and I plan to make a lot of money on it. Let's look at the facts. The recent Bitcoin pump happened because of peace talks news, but politicians are clearly doing insider trading. Just 70 minutes before the good news came out, someone opened a massive short on oil. Then Iran said the US deal was just a wish list, not a real deal, and immediately that short was closed with huge profit. And as you see, the price bounced back. There is no real peace deal, it's just news manipulation. That is why I'm holding and adding to my long position on oil. The chances of the Strait of Hormuz opening by mid-May are only 7%. The chart shows oil has room to grow. It will break its old highs and set new records. And when oil flies up, risk assets like crypto crash down. Look at the stock market. The S&P 500 is hitting all-time highs. Right now it is at $7,389. Buying here makes no sense. The upside is very small and the crash is coming because of world politics. I'm trying to short this top myself. And the biggest clue is gold. This safe haven asset keeps growing. Its long-term target is $4,900 to $5,000. When safe assets grow, it means smart money is preparing for a crash. Back to Bitcoin. Does this mean it will crash to zero right now? No, because funding are still negative. There are too many people shorting the market. Bitcoin left a long week on the daily time frame because of liquidations, but the big move isn't fully over yet. We might see a small drop, one more pump, and only then a massive global crash. If Bitcoin goes higher, the targets are $83,400 and a huge resistance zone at $84,000 to $85,000. I do not expect it to go above $90,000. So where I will take my short profits? The first magnet is $79,000. If we check a liquidity map, there is a ton of liquidity sitting there. Below that, the heatmaps show strong support at $77,000, and average volatility shows the maximum drop could reach $79,500. Those are local targets. Globally, my target is a break below $60,000. The profit on my short there will be unbelievable. Even if I get stopped out at break even now, it is fine. I will just open a new short at a better price. Now let's look at altcoins, and we start with Zcash. As you see, Zcash is giving us a hidden clue. Yesterday, my targets was 560 and 613. It only reached 560. It just missed the top target. This is a big hit. The whole market along with Bitcoin might pump one more time just to grab this missing liquidity. If Zcash hits 613, I will try to short it. What about Dash. Let's check this chart too. I'm holding it on spot. The chart is pretty random and the growth is very small so far. It might bounce to $70 where is a 0.618 Fibonacci level, but globally I'm waiting for a big breakout above $150. Finally, let's check TonCoin. It pumped very well and Pavel Durov is perfectly using the crypto hype. Ton broke my 2.4 target and flew to $2.9. And this is a massive global trend line. I traded on spot and already sold a little on exactly this level, and if it breaks above 2.9, it is a new trend to the moon. But buying right now at the very top while trading volume is falling, it is a terrible idea. It will either correct or completely reverse. Do not give into FOMO. Remember the golden rule of crypto. Any pump can end in 1 second without a warning. I expect a drop. Even if my current short closes at break-even, I will find new entries. We covered all the local and global levels today. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments, are you holding longs right now? See you tomorrow.